Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today we are going to discussing about the how to create key store using the command prompt. It's basically when we are going to create this key store means when we are not unable to find the valid certificate path in request target folder or file, and then we are going to create the key store factory. Okay, for this, what will happen? We need to open which is the URL it is not allowing. That URL we need to open into the IE. Once you open the IE, it will give the symbol security report one lock symbol. We have to open that one and we need to click and we need to verify the certificate and we need to import the certificate. Once you import the click on the import certificate and current user you have to choose and next, and we need to use the which all certificate we have to store give the authentication. You have to give the trusted publisher and you need to click and need to close. Once you given that one and you have to click and okay, it will import the file. Once it is imported, then you have to go to the particular file detail and it will give this one. In the details you have to click details and you have to check the where it is the file it is presented. My file it is presented here, and I need to we need to click for copy file. That file you have to copy, click next, and you have to choose first one and click and choose the file location where you want to store that file. Once you store that file, then you have to close all the browsers, then open command prompt in admin mode. Once you open the admin mode, that need to be display the command prompt need to be admin mode. Okay, once it is open, you have to go to the java file security file place, and you have to which is the file you imported, right, copied. That file you have to copy into the here. In this certificate, first try with your old one only. If that file also not working, you have to ask any friends or any members we need to import for that. If the file also not working, then you can ask to your friends or colleagues to get the this certificate file in their local working Eclipse, right? In there you need to get that file and you need to copy there, and don't delete the old one. You need to rename it anything, and you need to copy in that location for that certificate. And once you've done here, you need to navigate the location which is where you use the command prompt your admin open, right? There you have to navigate into this location. Then you have to uh, give the this name. I will add into this description place. You can copy this line. This is the basically key store and import. Here is the alias name. This is the name which is the name you are going to give for the that particular certificate, which is the one in the IE you copied, right? That file you given the name of the certificate, right? That file name and minus this is a normal name and minus file, and you need to give the entire certificate name. Fog.sre is a certificate key store. This is a alias name. Anything you can give, even you can able to give for the your name, because the key store storing for using this name only. Okay, once you given all of the setup, then you have to go and you have to paste it here and enter. Once you enter, it will ask you the keystore password. It is provided by the security password. You have to use change IT. This is the one you have to use the changing the password. These all are small letters only. Click change IT. Once you re-enter, once you open, it will ask you that trusted certificate you want to insert or not, because already I inserted. That's why I'm going to give the no. If you want to insert first time you are going to do, right, then you have to use the yes, then enter. Once you click that one, it will give the certificate is added successfully, this message. Right now I given the no, that's why it is given the certificates were not added to the key store. If you give the yes, it will store into the key store place. Then restart your Eclipse and restart your system. then you will get for the certificate and valid one, and you can able to, you will not get the unable to find the valid certificate error message. That's all about this video, and if you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.